Hey Warriors, welcome to this tutorial on how to use Joyabuy, the best agent right now. Before we start, let me explain what Joyabuy, Panda Boy, Cianfans, and all these agents are. They are Chinese agents that purchase products for you from Chinese sellers and suppliers. This means they buy it for you, take quality pictures, and then ship it to you. More on that later. Let's get started. First, you will need to create an account. Simply click on the user symbol and create an account. If you want to get $165 worth of shipping coupons, use my sign up link under beacons.ai DTKreps. Once you have created an account, head to your wallet, then coupons. I have a special $15 coupon on top of that, so enter DKreps and press exchange. Now you should have it. Next, we will need to find a few products. There are 3 methods. The easy method, simply go back to beacons.ai DKreps. Here, I have a spreadsheet with products for Joyabuy. I have over 2,000 items, including sneakers, jewelry, t-shirts, jackets, everything you could think of. From all the brands, for example, Stussy, Gallery Depth, Ralph Lauren, Nike, Jordan, Loro Piana for the old money men out there, Converse, Vivienne Westwood, Van Cleef, and all the other brands for the girls as well. Simply look for an item you want to buy, click on the link, and you will be directed to Joyabuy. Reddit method, open Google and search for the item you want, then add Panda Boy YDN at the end and press enter. Click on one of the Reddit links. We are looking for seller links. This can sometimes take time, which is why I recommend a spreadsheet. Once you have found a link, paste it into the Joyabuy search and it should show you the product. Youpu method. Youpu is basically a photo gallery of the products you can buy. I recommend the following Youpus. Simply search for an item you like, click on it, and look at the pictures. If everything looks good, copy the link given to you on the page and paste it into the Joyabuy website. I will list all recommended sellers in my description again. Once you have found an item, continue with the ordering. It's very important to use the sizing chart for clothes, as an L may fit like an XL, so you can select the right size. Shoes are always in EU sizes, so if you are not from the EU, use a sizing chart as well. Simply check online. Then, once you have selected everything, add it to your cart. Once you reach the cart, you have to continue with the payment. Here, I recommend using your bank card. There's also Google Pay, Skrill, and Wise. You can also put money in your Joyabuy wallet. Once you have paid, your order will be under the Order tab. First, let's go over the order statuses on Joyabuy. Order pending. This means your order has just entered the system. Within a few hours to a day, your order will be purchased from the seller. Purchased, your order has been bought. Seller sent. The items are shipped by the seller to Joyabuy's warehouse. This usually takes 3 to 5 days, depending on the seller's speed and locations. Stock arrived. Your items have arrived at the warehouse. Within a day, you should receive quality check photos. Warehouse. Your items are now stored and ready for shipping. Now, let's talk about how to ship your items once they're stored in the warehouse. Head to the address section and enter your shipping address. Choose the items you want to ship to you under the warehouse tab. Then select the shipping line. These are the best for each country. US, use US Air Shipping Lines, USPS line, EMS lines, or FedEx. Canada, use EMS or Canada Air Shipping Lines. Europe, use any DHL shipping line or Europe Air Shipping Lines. Scandinavia and Switzerland, EMS is fine. Australia and New Zealand, take EMS. UK, any Yodel line, Royal Mail, or EMS is fine. I recommend always opting for stretch film and corner protection. Complete the payment and your parcel's weight will be calculated. Once your parcel's weight is calculated, you need to declare its value. Head over to the parcels tab, click on your parcel and check the declared value. Open the contact form and specify how much you want them to declare. US and UK, declare $12 per kilo with digits. Canada, always declare 14s regardless of weight. Europe, use Joyabuy's auto declare unless it's under 16. Then declare 17 on $21 with digits. After that, your parcel will be shipped and you'll receive updates and a tracking code. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll have your items in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Also, check out my other video for an in-depth guide on using Joyabuy and other agents. Thanks for watching.